Good morning, all. You're welcome to today's class, Informatical Calculations, BD 253. We'll continue from where we stopped in our continuous assessment on the topic rounding, approximation, and estimation. So, as usual, I'll call you, come and pick your numbers, and we'll call your question, and we'll pick it up from there. Oh, yeah, Kosi, come out. Pick your questions. 3. Just pick one, drop it, pick one, drop it, pick one, drop it. So we should have, okay. Do help me with marker. Write the numbers here. Then, okay, yeah, with marker. Okay. 34, 73, 96. 73, 96. Give me your phone so I can call the question for her. What did Jesus do? Give me. Why is that in Jesus? All right. Number 34 says 34 says 458 458.4 divided by 8. Estimation, yes. 73 1.3 times 9.69 69. No, this one, I'm coming. This one, 73. This one, you approximate, your answer should be the nearest integer. Your answer should be the nearest integer. 96, 4.1 divided by 3. Your answer should be the nearest hundredths. Nearest hundredths. Your time starts now. You have 3 minutes. Your time is up. Thank you. Let's see what you did. Okay. Okay. 4.1 divided by 3 is what? 1 point what? 366666. Is that? Okay. Ominyo, come out. Choose your questions. Fast. We have 42, 65, 68. 42 says 77.788. 77.788. Then they take this 77.788 to the nearest integer. 77.788 to the nearest integer. 65. 3.144. 3.144 to the nearest hundredths. To the nearest hundredths. 68. 12.959. 12.959 to the nearest hundredths. Your time starts now. Are you done? I'll give marker. Okay, let's see what she did. 77.788 to the nearest integer is 78. I agree with you. 3.144 to nearest hundredths. This will go. 3.14. I agree. 12.96. 12.959 to nearest hundredths. This will go. Add one here. 12.96. I agree with you. Egbo no ngabazia. Oya pick. Okay. Giving the board. Why we? Okay. Number 17. 17, 28, and 63. 17 says 7.01 minus 6.0. Retain only the significant figures. Solve and retain only the significant figures. Number 28 says 0.07. Sorry, wait. This looks like, sorry. Hold on, I'm coming. Sorry, that thing is 25, not 28, sorry. It's 25, sorry. We've answered 28, I think so. Yes, we've answered 28. 25, sorry. 42 times 39. You estimate the product. How many questions have I called? Okay. You estimate the product. Then 63. Okay. 63 says 57. Then 0.888 into 4. Approximate to the nearest hundredth. Your time starts now. Are you done? Okay. All right, let's see what she did. 7.01 minus 6 is what? Is what? To the what? We should return what? Only significant what? Figures. Is there any rule on addition and subtraction of approximate numbers? Is there any rule like that? What did he say? Approximate numbers. What did he say? As number in the what? Fewest what? Decimal place. So which number has the fewest decimal place here? Huh? 6 point what? Is 6.0 an approximate number? So what should be the answer? 1 point what? You know this thing is not denominator. Hope you know. Hope you know. You know it's not denominator. So our trailing zero should be what? Should be what? Should be there, right? Our trailing zero should be what? It's not a denominator to what? Had it been there's a unit here. Had it been there's a unit here, actually, this is 6.0, I agree with you. But had it been there's a unit here, should it be 6.0? Just write what? Am I communicating? Between this and this, if you subtract this from this, you get what? Actually, it's 1 point what? 01. But you should return the one in the what? The decimal place of the what? The fewer this thing, right? Which is what? 1 point what? 0. (42 times 39). Okay, this will enter here, right? Because what? 4. 4, there's 0 here. You keep it by the side, right? Yeah, 10, right? Times what? 4, right? There's another 0 here. You keep it here. 10, right? So you have 10 times what? 4 times 4, which is what? 1 what? 600. Correct. I agree with you. Here says to the what? To the what? Nearest what? 100. Okay, let's go. You have what? This is what? Here, correct. I agree with you. This is correct. This is what? Correct. So, okay. Edozi ya pụta? You don't understand. Go to the rule. You have the rule in your book, right? Read the rule for us. You say what? No, there's one on the addition and subtraction. Is that here?
When adding or subtracting.
What?
Approximate number include only as many decimal places.
Go ahead, Fuma. When adding or subtracting,
when adding or subtracting, approximate number includes only as many decimal places are in the number with fewest decimal places.
The way you read it, you won't understand this. The way you read it. See what you read. When adding, I'm subtracting. Approximate number is confusing. When adding or subtracting approximate numbers, it should include what?
Include only as many decimal places.
As the what? As number with what? Fewer what?
Fewer decimal places.
Look at these two numbers. I told them approximate numbers. 6.0, is it an approximate number? Absolute. Two of them. So which one has the fewer decimal place? So the answer should be in how many decimal places? One decimal place. But this one is in 2 decimal places. Is it clear now? Good. Now, I have children come and pick. Please, those rules, please, digest those rules. Digest them. Okay? Digest those rules. I know that by right, 101 is what? Significant, right? But the rules say when adding in your result, you should do what? Reflect the one with what? Is it clear? Asịrị bịa ebe a, jee ebe a, nke ya apụ iche. Pik ya kikidobe ka mmanụ nke pikite. Ọ ya pik ya.
Onye na-atụ egwu.
Ị na-atụ ya egwu. Onye gụrụ ahụ ya ga-atụ egwu. Question efukwala afọ. Na wow. 61. Yeah, that of my take this one. That one is not writing well. Throw that away. So you just confuse us. Just keep it somewhere. Take this one. 61. 78. Even know what is writing well again. What's going on? Anaka equals 94. 61, 78. 61, 78, 94. 94. Good. Blessing. Come and put this thing. Look close. 61 says 25.43. 25.43. One is 78. 78 says, sorry, that one should be, yeah, approximate to the nearest, hundredths. Next one, 78 says, nine divided by 2.2. 9 divided by 2.2. Your answer should be in the, leave your answer in the nearest integer. Number 94. 94 says 2.4 times 5.88. 2.4 times 5.88. The answer should be to the nearest hundredth. To the nearest hundredth. Your time starts now. If you don't, give me the marker. Then once a kill. Okay, the cafe. Please study these rules very well, okay? Especially when it comes to operation, a lot of things change in operations. So please, that is the rule of the operations. Please study the rules very well. All right, let's look at what Edozie did. 25.43 to the nearest hundredths. Okay. Nine divided by 2.2 is what? 4 point what? 4.0109. To the nearest one. Okay, integer, okay. What of this one?
Correct.
2 is correct. 2.5 times 5.88 is what? 112. Correct. Onye na-apụta ozugbo Chinaza. Ogburo ga-arụrụ. Ọsọ. Ọsọ. 94. Take marker. Okay, clean first. Oh, please come. Come first. Pick your number, then you go and clean. Pick your numbers, then you go and clean. Okay. Number 6. 6. More marker. Edu. Marker. Okay. Check these ones. 6, 10, 60. Wow, these are significant numbers. 6, 10, 60. 6 times 10, 60. Right? Okay. No. Oh, yeah. You're good. All right, number 6 was, sorry, 6 is, no, just listen, number 6 is 0.001 milligram. 0.001 milligram. 0.001 milligram. How many significant figures are therein? Number 10. 21.635. 21.635. 21.635. So 3 significant figures. Number 61. 61. That you are doing is wrong. That you are doing is wrong. If you are doing like that, then once I finish calling, then I'll stop you. That you are doing is very wrong. Stop it, please. 61. 61. I'm coming. $25.43. To the nearest tenth. Yes, you can start. Are you done? Check. Thank you. Messiah, come out. Pick your questions. go and clean the board.
Think it have not worked.
Okay, number two. Number two. 31 and 36. Number two says, number two. Thank you. 1,000 meals. 1,000 meals. How many significant figures are there? Number 31. 31 says 184 divided by 2,003. 2,300. Estimate the quotient. 36. 36. 25.43. 25.43. Approximate to the nearest integer. Your time starts now. All right, thank you. Let's see what she did. 1,000 meals, how many silver figures? 4, I agree with you. I agree with you. 184 divided by 2,300. Estimate. Let me see if I will agree with you. We have 184. We have 184. We have 184. Over what? 2,300. And if you go by this is 18, this is 23. This thing we can ignore this. We can ignore this. 18 divided by 2 is what? 9. Remember here we have 10, right?
Yes.
And on the denominator we have what? 100, not 1,000. We have 100, right?
Yes.
Yes, 100. This is 10, this is what? 100. So this is what? 0.1, right? So 1 over 10 times 9 is what? This is 184. And we are working with 18, right? This 4 remaining is a 10, right? In the numerator. While in the denominator, we have 100 here. This is 100. This is what? 100. 10 over 100 is what? 1 over 10. And this value is what? 9. 9 times 1 over 10 is what? 0. What? Someone says 0.009. That's why I went back. What is the actual? 184 divided by? Is it 30?
Yes.
Okay. This is 2,300. Okay, thank you. We threw away 3 zeros. No, come on, it's 1,000. Thank you. So this is what 0.09. Yes, because we did this. Is not up to 5. We call it what 0. 0 is true. You are correct. So the answer is what 0.1. What is the actual value?
0.08.
0.08.
Yes.
It's still okay. Even if you do 184, but this will start giving you the necessary decimals, which you don't need in what? Estimation, okay? Try as much as possible to eliminate unnecessary what? Decimal, okay? And you cannot call this 19 because this is just 4. You can't call this 3 because this is just, so this is the only thing you can do, okay?
What of if you do 180 bring that 5
You do what?
like 180 is better than 2.
Okay, you call 4 0. So what do we get when we vote?
I told 0.078.
See,
If you do that 0, that 3 is 0. So it's not 180 or something.
180 or what?
2,000.
2,000. So what is it?
0.09.
0.0.
Yes.
0.009.
Yes.
That is not an estimation. You can't call this 0 like that. You can't call it. What if you call this 0 like that? You call this one 0. Okay, if you say 18 times 10, 180. See, what you do is this, It's not, you don't take it like this. Am I completely? You don't take it what? Like this. If you call this 0, if you call this 0, try as much as possible. That 0 you have done what? Separate it. What you are multiplying at the end, do your normal calculation, okay? Before you now start talking about the 0 you put aside. Because if you do that this now, you keep getting the 7 answer, the 7 answer, the 7 answer, it may not give you exactly what you want. But if you do 180 divided by, what do you say? Sorry, what did you say now? If you do 180 divided by 2, it give you what? 2 that give you what? 0.09. Your own is what? 0. What? 0.09. There's a sense in what you say, but try it with other. Hello. Try it with other words. You know what value you are in calculation should be general. There are some things you may do in a particular situation, it may work. But when you bring it in another situation, it will not work. I'm not doing it at the time, but try. If you see something new, a method, just try what I want to try it in order. So this I'm showing you now, I've tried it in different, both in decimals and in whole numbers, and giving me a result. Am I competing? So, but try this one. Try to use it in what? Decimals, and see what it will give you. Okay? Then if it works, then Eureka. Enjoy. All right, so this one is, and she got 9. Here is what? The nearest what? Yes, she's correct. Here, she got this one. Please, come out. Pick your numbers. Oh yeah, 32. Number 33. And 56. Bless Nayabia. And 56. My one question. Well, around. 32 says 98,000. 98,000 divided by 49. Estimate the quotient. Number 33 says 1.0745. Idan kan piageta. 1.0745 divided by 500. Estimate. Number 56. 56. Don't solve, just listen to questions. If you are solving, I'll keep quiet. Question. I'll tell you stop right. Is that what you want? So just wait. 56. 8.999. Yeah, 9 into 3. 8.999. Estimate. Shall we wait? Approximate to the nearest. Number, what is that? 56, right? Good. Approximate to the nearest tenth. Your time is up. All right, thank you, peace. It's nice doing business with you. All right, let's see what you did. 98,000 divided by 49. Hello? This one, see what you can do. Remember, here is 98, right? Here is 49. You can simply make this to be 10, make it to be 5, and divide. You have 2. Or simply divide out straight. This one is simple. It's same answer. It's same answer. There are nothing else to. This is a straightforward thing. There are nothing so serious about this one. Our mark I'm getting is simply what 2,000. Even if you make this one cause 0 and have 10 here, I make this one 0 and have 5 here. 10 divided by 5 is what? 2. You add what? 1. You add what? If you have here is what? 10, right? Divided by what? 5, right? Remember, we have how many zeros here? How many zeros? 4, right? Divided by what? That's 1 0 here, right? So this is what? 3. This is what? 2. 2 times 10, 1,000 is what? 2,000. Even if you like divide it straight, you still have what? 2,000. Okay? But this is a better way to estimate. In case you need to show your what? This one is calculation. Hope you know. Simply doing 98,000 divided by you are just calculating. Are you aware? You're not estimating. Are you aware? If you are required to state your what? Your work, follow this. This is estimation. But if you just look at this one, just punch it, just divide 98 over 4, straight like that, you are just doing calculation. What is it? And get what?
You get 19.6 times 100.
19 point what?
6 times 100.
Times what?
100.
And get what?
91.
And get what?
196.
It's a good estimation too. It's not bad. It's a good estimation too. That one is not bad. Are we there? All right. Maybe that's what you wanted to do here. I don't know. And got 19.6. Right here is what we have done this one now, right?
Yes.
That's why I said that I'll flog you for this one. We did this in this class, three of us. Good. And it's in your notes. Divide by what? Is there any doing it again?
No, yes. 2.2.
So some said yes. Let's do it. So here is, remember, here everything here is just, there's no value, right? I hope you know, because of this decimal point. So what we have is actually what? 1.1. This is come here. 1.1 over what? Remember, call this, you have, hope you know, you are aware now, right? You are aware that this is statement as saying 5 times what? So use this 5 to divide this. You have what? You have what?
2.2.
2.2. Then multiply this. You have 2.2 times 10 power minus 2. Is it 3 or 2?
3.
Is it 3 or 2?
3.
How is it 3? This is 1, right? 1.1, right? Are we together?
Yes.
This is 1.1. Divided by 5 is what? 2.2. You are separated this now. Have 1 over what? 100. Well, 1 over 100 is 3 power minus what? 1 over 100 is 3 power minus what? What is the answer?
2.2 times 10 is power minus 1. The 500 is 10 is power.
Okay, this thing, sorry. This thing is 0 is less than 5, is 0 point, sorry. This is then as saying 11 times 10 to the power what? What?
Minus 1.
Good, you are correct. Over what? You are correct. This and this, you are correct. You are correct. So this is what? 2.2 times 10 to the power what? You are correct. So this is less than 5, so it should be 0 point something. It's not 2.2. So that's the answer. 2.2 times 10 to the power minus what? 3. I'll flog you, and I'll do it. This is what? To nearest what? Tenths. You have this. Correct. I agree with you. I agree with you in this one. But I'll flog you in the other one. So this is what? 1 over 3, right? Victoria, come out. Come and pick your quick question first, then you can now go and clean the board. Okay. 48, 69, 89. Bless Nayabia. 48 says 3.366. 3.366. 48 says 3.666. 69. Okay, that 3.666. 3.366, sorry. Approximate to the nearest integer. $69. 5.7703. 5.7703. To the nearest hundredth. To the nearest hundredth. 89. 10.2. divided by 3. Your answer should be to the nearest tenth. To the nearest tenth. Your time starts now. Are you done?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, let's see what she did. 3.366 to the nearest integer. This is 7 for Baradash. This is what? Correct. This is 5.7. Select nearest hundredths. Baradash. Correct. 10.3 divided by 3 is what? 3.4. To nearest 10. No, what is the answer, Gogo?
3.4.
The same 3.4.
Yes.
To nearest what? 10th. No, it's not Baradash. It's correct. Naomi, onye alepụta? $48, 69. Choose your questions. Come, pick. Are you ready? 18. Number 18. Number 18. 18, 40, 74. 18, 40, 74. 18 says, I've got 18 right? 5.0 times 48.3 grams retain only significant figures. Number 40 says 3.144. Leave your approximate to the nearest integer. 74. 74 says 2.4 times 5.88. Your answer should be to the nearest integer. And your time starts now. All right, let's see what she did. The first question says, this and this. If you watch, both of them are in what? One decimal place, right? So but there's a rule here. What did the rule say? That if you multiply number in what? And okay, it should be in the same number of significant figures, right? Just multiply it. What's the answer? 2.2414.5, right? This is a denominate number. Ejiro mi ihe egwu egwu. Wole asọlum. Wole ha asọlum. Oscar bụ na the exam. You not put any unit in your exam, you will score 0. I don't joke with it. Put my unit for me, because some people are so careless that they just be doing it, solving. You think you know it. You may get the whole answer correct from 1 to 100 question, and there's no unit. It's 0. This is what? Nearest integer. 3. Correct. Banadash. Correct. Yes, for 14.1 sound right. Others, Banadash. So the Score is 2/3. Eduoya. Choose your numbers. He's praying. Hey, don't worry. Your faith will save you. All right. Number 26, 22, 71. 26 says 596. 596 times 204. You should estimate the products. Number 22 says 5641 plus 2177 plus 294 plus 8266. 8266 plus 3503. Estimate the sum. Then number 71 says 9.3 times 2.86. 9.3 times 2.86. Solve and leave your answer to the nearest integer. Your time starts now. Are you done? Huh? Okay. Thank you. Let's see what he did. Look at this. Here is what? 60, right? We have 10 here. Here is what? 20. We have 10 here, right? So 10 times 10 times 60 times 20 is what? Is what? We call this off here. We have 60. 10 will come out. 60 will go here. This is not up to 4. We call it 10. 10 will go here. Then 20 will go here. 10 times 10 times 6 times 20 is what? 120 what? Correct. Here, what is the actual value of this? What is the actual value of this? Huh? 19881. 19 what? 881. 19881. If you like, you can just call here 0, put 2 here, right? Call here 0, 0. This one is simple, right? When you add up, everything will be so. But the afterward is this. This is a correct estimation. Are we together? Now this one is what? 9.3 times 2.86. What's the raw value? 26.598. To nearest what? Correct. Okay, I think we'll stop here. No, it's 12:31. We have lecture by 1. No. Huh? He said no lecture today. No. Lecture hold. Say once. We not take a break. When I start lecture now, you start sleeping. No, go and rest. We'll continue next time.